Here we have the Lily 58 layout with Lame keycaps, and you can see that the letters on the Lily are these 3 rows, so the Lame fits like this and it's easy and comfortable. Now I got a question about the Atreus, not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but this keyboard has the letters on the top row. Now I don't have the right template layout for it, but if we have the letters here, it then brings up a question of what keycaps do we put here? Do we put the tilted saddle over here? Or do we put the central lower saddle? I'll try it and we'll see how it looks. So you can see this looks and feels really good. If I put my hands on it, it naturally rests and it's really good for the thumb. So if you're accessing these keycaps with the thumb, I'd go with this. Because if you're using your finger, it's a bit more awkward. Now let's try out the saddle keycaps. So there we have it with the saddle keycaps, and you can see this visually looks a bit more odd. Let's see how it feels. Yeah, it does not feel as good for the thumb, but if you were to use your fingers for them, yeah, it still feels awkward. Maybe let's try raising them. So I have these spacers that I will add and raise them. Now that they've been raised by 1 millimeter, we can see how it feels. I would have liked to try 2 millimeters, but these stems are too short and they would basically wobble out of place. But yeah, let's see how it feels. Yeah, this is better on the thumb, like way better than before. The transition here for the finger is still a bit weird, but it feels better. So maybe 2 millimeters might be good. But yeah, overall, I still feel like the aesthetics would be better with the tilted facing this way, but this is a good compromise if you want to use both your fingers and your thumb, while the tilted is best if you're just using your thumb and not your finger. Thanks for watching!